Hello traders, today we're exploring the Forex X Code Indicator for MT4. We'll look at how its colored bars appear on the chart, what those color changes imply about trend direction and momentum, and the key concepts behind how it filters market noise. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Let's proceed. The Forex X Code Indicator plots a sequence of colored bars, or ribbon in our case, directly on the main chart. That shifts color in line with its assessment of trend direction. Blue ribbons indicate that the indicator detects bullish conditions, with a buy signal at the start of the ribbon, and it ends when the red band or red ribbon begins. Meanwhile, red ribbon indicates bearish conditions, as you can see, with a sell signal at the start of the ribbon. And this ribbon starts and ends when the bullish phase begins. This makes it easy to see when the underlying bias has changed. When the bars transition from red to blue, the display implies a shift from selling pressure to buying pressure and a possible move into an uptrend. The opposite color change implies a shift toward the downtrend. We also have a text at the top right corner showing whether the trend is an uptrend or a downtrend with an arrow display. This makes it easy to see the current trend at the moment. Now let's move over to its settings. We have the signal period, controls how many bars are used within the moving average and momentum components, affecting how quickly the bars respond to new price action. We also have the stop loss pips and the alerts for the indicator. You can also adjust the color of the ribbons and the arrow and the width of the line. Now, who is this indicator for and what are its limitations? The Forex X Code Indicator is designed for intermediate traders who want a visual, trend, and reversal focus tool that combines price action with momentum filtering. It can be useful for intraday traders who want to see trend shifts quickly as bar colors change, as well as for those who monitor higher time frames for broader context. Xcode is an analytical indicator only and does not execute trades or manage positions on MT4. Like any trend and reversal display, it can produce misleading color flips in sideways or highly volatile markets. And while its filters help with this noise, it should still be used alongside other tools and risk controls rather than as a stand-alone decision engine. You can find the download link in the description below for the Forex X Code Indicator for MT4. You can also read the full article and see more chart examples on the Forex Geek website. If you're interested in more color-coded trend tools such as this, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.